Your liver is the only organ that can regenerate itself, but we push it to the limit every single day. Processed foods, environmental toxins, and stress create a massive load of inflammation. Most people wait until they have symptoms to act. But biochemically, the damage starts long before you feel it. Welcome back to Maxinutrifacts. Today, we are not just making a smoothie. We are compounding a bioactive elixir designed to flush toxins from your liver and scour plaque from your blood vessels. This recipe combines 4 powerhouse ingredients, plus a secret 5th one that works synergistically to activate your body's phase 2 detoxification enzymes. If you constantly feel tired, sluggish, or have skin issues, this specific blend is your reset button. Let's break down the science. Ingredient 1, the vascular dilator, beetroot. The foundation of this drink is 1 medium beetroot. In biochemistry, we call this the nitric oxide booster. When you consume beets, dietary nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, NO, in your body. This molecule relaxes the inner muscles of your blood vessels, widening them and allowing for better blood flow. But for the liver, the magic comes from a pigment called betalain. Research shows that betalains are potent antioxidants that specifically target the liver enzymatic pathways. They help thin the bile, allowing it to flow more freely through the liver and small intestine, carrying toxins out of the body rather than letting them reabsorb. We aren't just chopping a vegetable, we are preparing a vascular pump. Ingredient 2, the lipid fighter carrots. Next, we add carrots. 3 of them. You know them for vitamin A. But let's look deeper. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene and carotenoids, which are fat-soluble antioxidants. Why does this matter for the liver? Because the liver is where fat metabolism happens. High levels of oxidative stress in the liver can lead to lipid peroxidation. Basically, fat going rancid inside your cells. The antioxidants in carrots act as a shield, protecting liver cells from this damage. Furthermore, the fiber in raw carrots binds to excess estrogen and toxins in the gut, preventing them from being reabsorbed into the bloodstream. Ingredient 3, the kidney flush parsley. Now, we need to support the elimination channel. We are adding a handful of fresh parsley. In medical biochemistry, parsley is recognized as a natural diuretic. While the liver filters the blood, the kidneys are responsible for actually ejecting the water-soluble waste. Parsley contains compounds like apigenin and myristicin, which increase urine production without depleting electrolytes like pharmaceutical diuretics do. By adding this, we ensure that the toxins the beetroot and carrots are releasing actually leave your body instead of just circulating. It's also incredibly rich in vitamin K1, supporting healthy blood clotting and bone density. Ingredient 4 and 5, the anti-inflammatory ignition, ginger and physalis. To ignite the metabolic fire, we add roughly 20 grams of ginger. Gingerol, the active compound, is a digestive stimulant. It increases gastric motility, meaning it helps move food through your system faster. This prevents fermentation in the gut, which significantly lowers the toxic load reaching the liver. And here's a unique addition, physalis, also known as goldenberry or Cape gooseberry. Use 4 to 5 pieces. These are rare in typical detox drinks, but are powerful. They are loaded with phenolides, a group of naturally occurring steroids that suppress inflammation at a cellular level. If you can't find physalis, you can substitute with a tart berry like gooseberries or even a slice of lemon with a pith. But the physalis adds a unique enzymatic boost. The process, bioavailability extraction. Now, the extraction method matters. We chop everything. Skin on for the ginger if it's organic, and blend it with 300 milliliters of water. Why blend instead of juice? Because we want the soluble fiber. The fiber acts as a mesh in your intestines to trap the toxins released by the bile. If you just juice it, you lose that binding mechanism. Blend until smooth. The result is a vibrant, deep red blood builder. Strain it slightly if you want a smoother texture, but keeping some pulp is biochemically superior. Dosage and frequency. Drink 1 glass of this on an empty stomach in the morning. This gives your liver a head start before it has to process your breakfast fats and proteins. Your skin will clear up, your energy will stabilize, and your digestion will reset. Try this for 7 days and tell me the difference. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Maxinutrifacts for more science-backed nutrition. Stay healthy, stay informed,